says Saturday. Wait, Friday. We should try honey. They sell the honeycombs.
Do they? So let's go find honeycomb. Where's it at, Bella?
It's someone over here. Wait a minute. Do y'all have honeycombs? Like honey? Like where do y'all sell your honey at?
Aisle 4.
Aisle. It's on aisle 4. We're gonna get some honeycombs because we're ASMR.
There's no aisle 4. It goes from 3 to 5.
I don't see no. Oh yeah. That's how you know we work at HEB. Okay, we're on the honeycomb aisle. I feel weird holding a camera.
It's a phone.
Or phone.
We're getting the honeycomb.
Are you gonna try it, Savannah?
Yes, everyone's trying it. Where's it at?
Where look? I
Maybe
remember.
it's the honey. Who knows? It's over here.
Look, it's right here. It's honey, raw honeycomb.
That's gross. That looks nasty.
What's raw? It's gonna be all pretty.
I was expecting it to be pretty. This one's.
That looks good. This
Ooh.
looks like the ones in the movie.
Y'all got that one. Okay, grab it.
We're gonna try it.
You just gotta eat it?
Yeah.
We're not the wax. Like, have you seen videos? No.
Well, they eat them.
But they spit out the wax.
Yeah.
Like, it's actual raw.
It's like honey.
And you're gonna eat
Taste
it
it.
because of...
Discuss. We want to try it.
Okay. She's so funny. So they just wanna do it.
Y'all do that. It looks appetizing.
cost?
$7.
Dang, this must be the best honey.
It's fresh.
This better be the honey from the Bees movie, because that's all I know. So right now we have raw honey, and what do we have right now? So we have the honeycomb.
We have Oreo thins, coconut, cookies, chocolate chips s'more. I mean chips s'more. And knockoff thins.
We're gonna see the total. We're gonna try to finesse the cashier and say, can you take like $5 off?
Okay, we will see you at the cashier.
I don't know about this. I'm diagnosed with TMS, too much sauce.
Stop. Okay, so we are going to go see if Walmart got the fish updates.
They don't have no fish, 'cause they don't want to stop.
And that's why we came
Like,
to get fish.
we're back. Y'all have any advice for my sophomore year?
It's not your junior year, so good luck. Okay.
I don't know about y'all, but I know about us. And it's the only way we know how to.
And prank accident. We're tasting the cherry peppermint chocolate. 1, 2, 3.
What is it?
I don't like it either. Is it good? Do you like it? Okay, we're back. I have the 3 pieces for everybody.
What piece is mine?
But
I might cup over there.
don't eat
The
it.
biggest one.
I tried to cut it evenly.
Okay.
Okay, ready, go.
It's sweet.
It's sweet.
I don't like me.
I don't like honey either.
But that's not like.
Nope. It's a lot.
So, 1 out of 10.
A 1 out of 10. I'm gonna say
A 6.
a 5.
I'm gonna say a 2.
It was a little too sweet.
Yeah, that's why I didn't like. Well, let's try these. If you haven't tried, I think I tried these before, but I kind of like them. They're good. Have you tried this?
I haven't tried that kind.
They're like
Yeah, I
Chinese.
You didn't show them the box.
I did.
Cute.
Cheers. They smell good.
Way better than honey.
1 out of 10.
At 8.5.
Yeah. A 8.
Everyone look. Hey, look, let me. Okay.
My preference, I don't like marshmallows.
Any mini, go. Cheers.
This is good. I like the chewy ones.
Oh, look,
better
they're-
than the soft ones. I like the chewy ones. No,
I like the hard ones.
I like chewy.
1 out of 10 for me. 7. A 7 for me.
It's 6. I'm gonna like marshmallows.
I was a 9.
Got no Thin Mints, Girl Scout cookies or whatever.
No.
I got fudge mints. Knockoff.
Knockoff.
Great value.
This isn't my kid, by the way.
This is her kid.
This is my brother.
She got one. Oh,
Wait.
they smell just like Thin Mints.
They do.
Everyone grab.
Right?
Oh,
Smell like toothpaste.
Hey, eat these in the morning so you don't have to brush your teeth, baby.
Shut up.
Okay, and cheers.
Mm.
1 out of 10, 10. They taste just like them.
9.5.
9.5, 1 out of 10. Okay,
A 10.
I'm gonna say 10 too. Oreo thin coconut.
Coca what?
Am I-
Coca what?
Am I the only one that doesn't like coconut but likes to smell it?
I like the chocolate between your teeth.
Slim thick.
All right, everyone, cheers.
Lost my phone. What?
He's looking at us. He's looking at me.
I'm crying my phone.
They taste like regular Oreos.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm gonna say they're good.
I'm gonna say 8
8.
because I do like Oreos.
Yeah.
But I didn't taste the coconut.
I'll say 7.
Last but not least is a drink. You know, Monster, the
Oh, no,
energy
save
drink.
the turtles.
Save the turtles. I have. Okay, whatever. Look at this. We're gonna try this,
Dang!
and hopefully, it's good. Are you good? You look like your stomach hurts.
Oh, no, I'm good. Why? Let me smell it. Smell test.
Hey, wait, ready?
Be like,
Tastes like normal.
coffee.
Yeah, it tastes like...
This is vanilla.
No, but it tastes like less strong.
Yeah, it's not.
Yeah.
Shit, we're gonna
You
be
would
saying
expect it to be like overpowering, but it's not.
It tastes like,
a regular Starbucks drink.
but like less coffee.
It's like you put a whole bunch of milk in it. That's what it tastes like.
You
Right?
wanna try it?
I like it.
It's good. I thought it'd be like overpowering.
So this is also a taste test, and
A prank.
What was the chocolate?
last.
What? What was it? Wait.
We gave her chocolate laxative.
What's a laxative?
It's a thing that makes you
To clean out your inside. Why'd you only eat me? She's the one who bought them. She's the one
That
who
was a
bought
special chocolate.
Was it good though?
Yeah, it's good. Was it worth it? No. Wanted to recommend.
The chocolate.
That's why I was asking you, does your stomach hurt? It's probably gonna hurt later at night.
I'll get 3.
So we'll be back for the other video.